All right, guys, the question is AI ever going to replace us as real estate agents? See, last week there was this great article from Bill Gates where he shared his views about the transformative potential of AI agents. And he spoke specifically about how soon AI will have all these AI agents that'll be so personal, where it'll speak to our personal language, to our preferences, everything from travel to business needs. Crazy, right? Now, as agents, we need to get in the game now. See, I personally do not believe that we'll ever be replaced by AI because of the relational experiences that we have with our clients. However, I do believe that it could eliminate agents who choose not to adopt its practices. Now, here's a couple ways that we can embrace the change today. First, we can start to recognize the potential behind personalized property recommendations for our clients. Secondly, we can use it for enhanced virtual property tours, more immersive opportunities that are reality-based, allowing our clients to explore these properties remotely and detailed like never before. See, there is no doubt AI will transform the way real estate is being conducted, making processes more efficient and customer-centric. Now, the question I have for you today is, how do you think AI will change your experience in buying and selling properties? Love to hear from you. Talk to you guys soon.